This restaurant only serves burgers and pretzels. We have some entrees in front of us right now. I got a New York strip steak, and I am excited because look, I got some herb butter on top of it, just sitting nice and pretty. Vegetables, asparagus, grilled that is, with a side of mac and cheese, because why not? You can also get mashed potatoes. I substituted my mashed potatoes for mac and cheese. Great minds think alike because what do we got here? Macaroni and cheese. But this is a buffalo macaroni and cheese. You got the buffalo chicken, some blue cheese crumble, some nice size pieces of bacon, of course, your macaroni noodles and some cheese. Don't mind if that. Okay. We'll get to it. I'm dipping my steak in this herb butter because this is delicious. Wow. This garlic butter just kind of elevates the taste and brings everything all together. It is a winner. If you're looking to expand your palate, this is a place you want to do, okay? They have nearly 100 different types of bottles and drafts from, like, literally around the world. Like, the world. And time out, I'll play real quick. They also support their local breweries in addition to having the imported breweries. I mean, check this flight out, for example. Called the When in Rome, consists of some of Florida's finest, outside of New Brandy, of course. Cheers. You gotta come. Flag on the plate. Y'all thought we forgot? This is 4-star. Wings. Oh, my goodness. And I know you like your garlic parmesan. She knows we love that. I'm classic like that. Going with a traditional flavor of garlic parmesan. You can see the parmesan beef. Blossom sriracha. What you dipping over there? Oh, you know I got ranch. Me too. I do. I like to. So wait a minute. We have to really demonstrate how to eat a chicken wing. First of all, I want y'all to look at the flavor on this. Y'all see the flavor on this leg? And there you have it, folks. Check out that bone. And that's how you clean a wing. Clean, sweet.